Thailand is one of the world's leading producers and exporters of tropical fruits. With favorable climatic conditions, fertile soil, and advanced agricultural techniques, the country has developed a thriving fruit industry featuring popular varieties such as mango, mangosteen, longan, rambutan, coconut, and especially durian, known as the king of fruits. Durian plays a crucial role in Thailand's agricultural economy. According to statistics, Thailand's durian cultivation area now exceeds 700,000 plots rai, approximately 112,000 hectares, primarily concentrated in provinces like Chanthaburi, Rayong, and Chumphon. Annual production reaches around 800,000, 1,000 tons, with over 80% exported mainly to China, the world's largest durian consumer. In terms of economic value, durian generates massive revenue for farmers in Thailand's economy. In 2023, durian exports brought in over 3.5 billion won, making Thailand the world's top durian exporter. With international market prices ranging from $3 to $6 per kilogram, durian not only improves farmers' livelihoods, but also significantly contributes to the country's agricultural economic growth. The Thai government has also implemented various policies and advanced cultivation techniques to enhance durian quality, ensuring a strong competitive position in the global market. Durian cultivation requires careful planning, optimal environmental conditions, and meticulous care to ensure high yields and premium fruit quality. The process begins with land preparation, where farmers select well-drained, fertile soil with a pH of 5.0, 6.5. Durian trees thrive in warm, humid climates with annual rainfall between 1,500 to 2,000 mm. Young saplings are planted with proper spacing, 8 to 12 meters apart, to allow sufficient sunlight and air circulation. During the early growth phase, irrigation is crucial. Farmers use drip irrigation systems to maintain consistent moisture without waterlogging the roots. Organic and chemical fertilizers, including nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, NPK, are applied at different growth stages to promote root development and fruiting. Pruning and canopy management play a key role in durian farming. Farmers regularly remove excess branches to improve air circulation and prevent fungal diseases. To ensure a strong root system, they also apply mulching techniques, using dried leaves or coconut husks to retain soil moisture. As the trees mature, typically 4 to 6 years after planting, they enter the flowering and fruiting stage. Hand pollination is sometimes used to increase fruit set. Once the fruits start forming, fruit thinning is carried out, leaving only a limited number of durians per branch to enhance size and quality. Disease and pest control are essential throughout the process. Farmers use biological pest control methods and organic pesticides to protect trees from common threats like stem borer insects and fungal infections. With proper care, durian trees can produce high-quality fruit for up to 30-50 years, making them one of the most valuable crops in Thailand's agricultural industry. Durian harvesting is a meticulous process that requires skill and precision to ensure the best quality fruit. Durians are typically harvested when they reach physiological maturity, around 90 to 120 days after fruit set, depending on the variety and growing conditions. Farmers determine the right harvesting time based on signs such as the color of the skin turning from green to light yellow, the spikes becoming more spaced apart, and a hollow sound when tapping the shell. Some durian varieties naturally fall when ripe, but to maintain quality, most are hand-harvested. The harvesting process begins with using a sharp knife or specialized shears to cut the fruit stem, leaving a portion of the stalk intact to protect the inner flesh. For tall trees, farmers use long poles with blades to cut the durians, carefully catching them with a net or cloth basket to prevent damage from falling. After harvesting, durians are sorted by size, ripeness, and shell quality before being transported to markets or processing facilities. Proper handling and storage help preserve the fruit's unique flavor and commercial value, ensuring it reaches consumers in the best possible condition. Rambutan is one of the most popular and economically valuable tropical fruits in Thailand. The process of growing, caring for, and harvesting rambutan requires meticulous techniques to ensure high yields and the best quality. Thai farmers usually grow rambutan from grafted trees to shorten the growth period and increase productivity. The trees are planted in loose, nutrient-rich, well-drained soil with a spacing of 8 to 12 meters between them to ensure optimal growth. In the early stages, the trees require regular watering, especially during the dry season, and are fertilized with organic compost combined with NPK fertilizer to promote growth. Additionally, pruning is done periodically to improve airflow, reduce pests, and maximize photosynthesis efficiency. After about 3-5 years, rambutan trees start bearing fruit. When the fruit's skin turns from green to red or yellow-orange, farmers harvest them manually, using pruning shears or sharp knives to avoid damaging the fruit. The rambutans are then sorted, packaged, and quickly transported to maintain freshness before reaching domestic and international markets.